Some people say that do not start any new work, activity, etc. on the day of Thursday. They say the same about Friday, that is not an appropriate day. One shall not start any new task on this day. So please guide us on the fact whether we shall start a new work on these days or not.
I have generally observed that people inaugurate their shops on Friday, as the day of Friday is a blessed day. And for after Salatul Jum'ah, it's even mentioned in the Holy Quran, فَإِذَا قُضِيَتِ الصَّلَاةُ فَانْتَشِرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَابْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِ اللَّهِ. Then when Salah is completed, so disperse in the land and seek Allah's benevolence, lawful sustenance. So see it yourself. So these are just misconceptions. One shall not believe this at all. You can also do so on Thursday, and so can you do so on a Friday. There is no such day that is a misfortune. Allama Sayyid Muhammad Amin bin Umar bin Abdul Aziz Shami Quddisa Sirruhu Sami writes, a question was asked to Allama Hamid Afandi alayhi rahmatullahi al-Qawi. Are there certain days that are a misfortune or auspicious, in which one shall not travel or do other activities? To which he replied that the one who questions whether some days are a misfortune, then he shall be ignored from answering, i.e. give him no attention at all, and his action shall be referred to as ignorance. Moreover, he shall also be condemned. Having such beliefs is the way of disbelievers. It's way of disbelievers. It's not the way of Muslims, whom rely on Allah Almighty. You see how severely and strongly this has been denied. For those who consider a certain day to be misfortune, that a task shall not be started on a certain day. I read out this narration before you from Tanqihul Fatawa al-Hamidiyah, Volume 2, page 367 is the reference. So this narration is mentioned in it. Badshaguni is a very brief and small booklet printed by Maktabatul Madina, consisting of 126 pages. It's a very beautiful booklet. Definitely get hold of it. If you haven't read it, then please do read it. So please try your best, and whatever happens, do read this book. You will acquire immense amount of knowledge. There would perhaps hardly be anyone who would remain safe from ill omen in our society. Environment inside the homes is also the same. That helps in developing ill omen. They consider different people to be a misfortune. So please do get hold of it. You'll also develop a mindset to refrain from it in future. Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. Wallahu ta'ala a'lamu wa rasuluhu a'lam Azza wa Jalla wa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.